What if I told you that you don't need a six-figure salary or a chiseled body to attract the woman you desire? Sounds impossible, right? You've been told your whole life that money and looks are the keys to a woman's heart. But what if I told you that's a lie? What if I told you the real secret to making women fall for you is something far deeper than your bank account or your appearance? In today's video, we're going to dive into the Stoic approach to attracting the right woman without relying on superficial traits like money or looks. If you've ever felt like you're not good enough because you don't have the right things, this video is for you. Let's break it down. We've all been there, right? You see someone with the looks, the lifestyle, and you think to yourself, but that's the guy she'll fall for. You might even try to chase those same things, buying fancy clothes, working on your abs, and hustling for that promotion, believing that's what it takes to win her over. But here's the hard truth, it's not. Stoicism teaches us that the only things we can truly control are our own actions and attitudes. The rest, the external things, like how much money you have, how attractive you look, are outside of your control. So why waste energy on something you can't change? Instead, focus on what's within your control. In fact, the Stoics believed that becoming a person of value, a person who embodies wisdom, courage, justice, and temperance, is far more powerful than any material or physical trait. When you build these qualities, you're naturally going to attract the right people, not just women, but quality people in general. One of the key principles of Stoicism is self-discipline. It's about controlling your impulses and doing what's right, not just what's easy or desirable. When you practice self-discipline, you don't need to be flashy to impress others. You show up as the best version of yourself, and that's magnetic. Women don't fall for the guy who's desperate to prove himself. They're drawn to the man who is calm, collected, and comfortable in his own skin. Let's take a look at some of the Stoic virtues that will make you irresistible without needing to worry about your looks or bank account. Wisdom. A wise man knows his worth isn't tied to his appearance or wealth. He's a deep thinker who understands life's complexities, and this depth makes him intriguing. Women are drawn to a man who can hold meaningful conversations and has a perspective on life that challenges them to think. Courage. This isn't about being brave in the traditional sense, but rather having the courage to be yourself. It's about standing up for your values even when it's difficult. The courage to be authentic and honest is one of the most attractive traits a man can have. Justice. This means treating others, especially women, with respect. It's about doing the right thing by them, whether they're watching or not. A man who values fairness and integrity is a man who earns admiration and trust. Temperance. The ability to control your desires. Instead of being consumed by lust or the need to impress, you maintain balance. This leads to emotional stability, which is a trait that women find incredibly reassuring. So, forget the idea that you need money or looks to attract a woman. What you need is the foundation of Stoic virtues: wisdom, courage, justice, and temperance. When you focus on these qualities, you'll not only become a man who attracts women, but you'll also become a man of true substance, a man who stands out for the right reasons. If you want to learn more about how to apply Stoicism in your life and become the best version of yourself, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Let's build a community of strong, grounded men who understand that true attraction starts from within. Don't just chase the superficial, be the man who attracts the woman of your dreams by mastering yourself. See you in the next video.